when you are with your wife, the Lord has made man to be the head, not the woman. So those men who enjoy their wife coming on top of them in their matrimonial bed, the Lord said they are not coming to heaven at all.
And that type where they say dog and cat. But not be that dog style and you like first. The bunny go.
My life, I've met so many girls, so many fine girls, so many nice girls. So there were plenty, but I know people forget. Fine girl from Ghana, they get to pick it back up. Hey, she tell me such you like the way I do. She tell me such you like the way I sing. She tell me you're the one I choose. Love me and you, love me and you, baby. Love me and you. Oh no. Yo, fine girl from Ghana, they get to pick it back up.
Say hello. Say hello. Hello. So guys, yes, you see Boaz is here and he was crying. I just gave him a bath and he won't sit still. This waka will start to waka, so I know be smarting. He won't sit in one place. So I just gave him a bath and we're planning on cutting his hair. Boaz's birthday is next month. Yay. April 11th. So we're planning on cutting his hair. So you guys can see he has like very full hair body. Some people said I shouldn't cut it, but the hair is so hard to comb these days. It's so hard to comb, so we are definitely cutting it. It's feeling sleepy already. Come Papa. So guys, yes, as I was saying, we're going to cut the hair very soon. Thank you guys so much for 1,500 subscribers. You guys are amazing. Thank you guys so much. To the new and the returning subscribers, we don't take you guys for granted. I am a family. I don't take you guys for granted because this is my channel. Thank you guys so much for all your support. Yeah, I'm just here to officially open this vlog. Nothing much is gonna be happening in this vlog. I think I'm gonna be getting another test done, and I guess I might be going today. I just want to beg this young man, get 1 or 2 chores done, and yeah. Oh, to those that will see my face for the first time, welcome to the channel. My name is Princess Badigo. Yeah, I'm a YouTuber based in Lagos. I'm sweaty. Nigeria is hot, guys, and although the fan is not on right now because I try not to. Where is it going down to? I don't understand. You want to go down, and I don't wear this diaper well. I have to readjust it. So yes, thank you guys so much. Thank you for all your support and all your super chats, your gifts, everyone that has blessed me. I received, let me show my face when I'm saying that. I received some gifts when my phone got bad. Some people blessed me with money and all that. Thank you guys so much to everyone who blessed me. Thank you so much. I appreciate you guys. Yes, I got a new phone finally. Thank you. I appreciate you guys so much. I couldn't get the old one fixed. I might just show you guys the old one. I don't know, but I couldn't get it fixed. The screen was not available in the market, so I had to get another one because, you know, as a YouTuber, I can't afford to stay off for so long. So thank you guys. Thank you guys to everyone who has ever super chatted or so everyone who has ever sent me anything. I don't take it for granted. I appreciate you guys so much. You guys owe me nothing, but you still love me so much, and thank you. I appreciate everyone, really. I do. Yeah, so basically The girl is getting another test done, as I said earlier. When you saw me earlier, I was just washing the bed sheets off the other room. I washed like 2 bed sheets, but I'm going to lay another sheet. I just finish with the chores, take my bag, and I'll come back and chat with you guys. Hopefully I'm back from the test by then. Yes, so we can open the results together. And please, if you see the results, whatever it may be, if it is not, if I'm not pregnant or I'm pregnant, please don't give it out in the comment section so people can actually, you know, watch to that point and see what the result is. Okay, thank you guys, and yeah, I'll see you guys later. Fam, so yes, yeah, I told you guys what I'll be doing. I'm back from where I went to do the test. Braz is just here playing. I don't know if you guys can see him over there. Back on a lighter note now. Your girl is back, and I got the test. I showed you guys the envelope. I want to open up with you guys. I've not opened it. I tried my best, and I already told you guys in the starting, so don't go and give out the test results. Let us, you know, I want more comments in the comment section. But funny enough, people that are saying cowgirl, I've not tried that cowgirl style. I heard story of mother will talk about it in a video, but I'm yet to try the cowgirl style. I don't even know how. I mean, I heard the positions they said, those crazy nasty positions.
Jesus is Lord.
Anyway, so I'm here to try it out. This test result is going to determine how I'm going to try the cowgirl style. Continue. So I guess we're just going to name this video, see what cowgirl style has cost or whatever. Anyway guys, yeah, I'm still waiting on the period and it's not here yet. A lot of people said maybe it is stress and a whole lot of stuff that caused it, but I don't know. But let's just open the results. I want to show you guys so it won't be on my face. I want this to be super clear. I don't know why it's not. Da 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 da. I'm sure you guys can see. What does it say? I'm sure you guys can see. So I guess it's stress. So let me just wait. Let me just wait for some days and see if it comes. I'm going to update you guys if it comes. I hope it comes before this video goes up. Yeah, so I'm going to update you guys. Thank you to everyone who congratulated me in the last video. I don't want a baby yet though. I don't think I want another baby. Like, picking kids are a good thing, but see this boy here, this small boy here, I'm not even done dealing with all his stress and hassles. I don't know why he wants to cry now. Oh yeah, come papa. Kids are a good thing, but it's not easy caring for kids. Yeah, come, let me carry you. Come, fam. So yeah, I'm happy. Let's look for family. Oh my webo. One grab. Everyone, where is that boy that is in the? So guys, I started to bring my husband. I hope his face is showing. His big head. I started to bring him to come and chook mouth in 2 issues, but the first one I want to chook mouth is that man, that pastor that said, look, we know they do. What do they call him? And that type where they say dog and cat and fowl. So I want to hear your thoughts.
The man is losing money. How can pastor go tell us we do all this kind of thing? I ain't get our life. I ain't get people like you can't stop people from. I wonder, like maybe people don't do at Dangori and all those things. You can't stop anybody. Him when they talk now, you've done worse things than you know.
Oh, he's still doing it.
It's just that then at the style is different. You will be your kind of style. What you kind of style you prefer.
He might be doing those styles.
So he might be doing it.
Yes, now.
So why is he not saying people should stop?
Should not do it. So I wanted a man. From a man's perspective.
Don't mind.
Can you stop it?
Stop.
Do you like? Do you not do
the only thing he told us not to do is not, you know, let's respect animals. Let's give them they have their styles. They don't use our style. We should not use their style too. So that is where they major. I think I will go with you.
Which one you go with you? No. For your own channel, you go with
no, what I'm saying is.
Fam, my husband has a YouTube channel anyways that he used to do aproko. He likes aproko. Please check it out. Jeff Barnes Banigo. So I'll link it in the comment section. You can subscribe to him if you like his personality.
So you know go with the man when you say, but no, what I'm saying, not that they go with them completely. What I'm saying is the style when you talk, you say the dog style.
Jesus is Lord.
But don't be that dog style now you like first.
Wait, you say the dog. You say the dog own. Leave dog you use their style. You say
that one style where they say they rain now, cowgirl.
Cowgirl.
All of them call they talk for that last video I put. Say now that cowgirl now ain't give me the belly.
I give you the belly.
Say I don't try cowgirl for me.
That cowgirl, they are not no cowgirl. You don't tell me the people who like to cowgirl, I don't know cowgirl. The one who know that the popular ones.
Which one?
You know them,
I
they know them too.
Anyway, okay, that's that one that side. Then also somebody for my last video tell me say me I dey post wetin I like. I mean I just dey post nonsense I'm supposed to keep quiet for. Say if I don't want to get belly, make I go do family planning. I want me to talk.
Nothing concern her. Manzi, maybe it's none of your business. You know, you respect people's opinion, or if you come to people's channel, watch and drop reasonable comments.
And if you don't want to comment,
just watch and go. The highest you do is you can like. If you love the person so much, you comment and share. It's none of your business. Whether the person put Bula according to L'Oreal blog, Bula, whether you put you do Pokeripo, and then go there according to
none of your damn
business. It's none of your business. So you mind your business. I know that what she into what is your channel about.
I don't want to talk. I don't want to give her a 2 minutes fame. I don't want to make her blow. But if she doesn't respect herself and she comes to my comment section and comments anything like this, I'll do a special video about her. That's what I just wanted you to come and go. Thank you. Don't need it yet. It's not your channel. Go to your channel.
I'm going there now.
So guys, yes, this person made me so mad, and I was actually very furious for a second there, but I'm all calm now. And I guess I'm more calm because, yeah, let me tell you the good news, fam. Let me tell you guys the good news. My period came. So all the Adangorias, my period finally came. So I said I should come and tell you guys. Since I opened my big mouth, as they said, to tell you guys that I'm looking for it. I've seen what I am looking for. So all the money for everything that you sent. Anyway, so it came, and yes, I'm excited. And family planning doesn't really work for everyone, and people have reasons why they don't do family planning, and some people have even done family planning and it failed. And yeah, whatever, you should mind your business. If I get pregnant, I didn't tell you that I can't take care of my child, but I just said I was not ready because I want to be very, very balanced. So I don't know why that woman is saying nonsense. Anyway, I'm not going to get into that. Auntie Janet, please respect yourself. Guys, I'm just going to end this video here. Thank you guys so much if you watched to this point. And yes, I'll see you in my next video. If you enjoy this video, like kindly, please share it out. Give us a thumbs up. And yes, thank you guys for everything you do for us. And to all our little new subscribers, I see you all and I welcome you to this family. I love you all. Bye.